And I got a treat for you guys today. This is a multiple award-winning 69 Camaro. Chris McPhee is who owns it. It was built by Dutchboys Hotrods for Chris. It's won awards like the SEMA GM Design Award. It was a SEMA Battle of the Builders Top 10 Hot Rod. It won this year. It won the Good Guys Street Machine of the Year Award, Good Guys Gold Award. You just can't say enough about the quality of this build. It's top notch for sure. Super happy to be able to work on it with these guys, work with Dutch Boys on a few things, so very grateful for that. I mean, how many 69 Camaros have you seen with soft closed door latches? Check this out. This is obviously a 69 Camaro. It's got a Wagner LS7 in it. It's a Bowler Race Prep T56 backed by a 9-inch with like a 370 gear in it, I believe they said. It's a Holley HP ECU. And that stuff's all cool, but this thing's just fun to look at. It's just perfect. I do a few cars for these guys. I'm fortunate to be able to work with them on a regular basis. Every time they call me and want me to bring something, I'm excited and nervous. I feel like I gotta be in a bubble to work on these things. They're just so nice. Check this engine bay out. It doesn't get much better than that, does it? It's got a GM brake on it. I believe it's a 15-inch. It's a carbon ceramic setup. The wheels, they work a lot with Forge Line, but check that out. It's an actual carbon fiber drum there, which is just crazy. Don't see that very often, obviously. The interior also just as immaculate as you'd expect. Carbon fiber seats. The back seat area is all detailed. Really nice. Some of the interior pieces are magnetic. They showed me how to remove them. I'm not gonna do that now, but yeah, this is just one of those things that you could sit and look at this thing for hours. It's just absolutely beautiful. Curious to see what it's gonna make. This was on an engine dyno. I believe it made around just over 630 wheels, something like that. So I'd expect it to make, you know, 500, 5.25 to the tire. So see how that plans out. But yeah, I mean, you could just sit here and look at this thing all day. Beautiful car. Here's some steady state stuff. I thought I'd explain that a little bit. You see the screen capture in the upper left hand corner here. What I'm doing is I've got the dyno set to a mile an hour, and it will do everything it can to hold the vehicle at that mile an hour. That allows me to move the load value vertically in the RPM column. So if I say it's at 30 mile an hour is say 3,000 RPMs, as I move the throttle pedal, the load changes, moving it in the match cells, which is the vertical cells. And then to move over to like the next column, usually I'll jump a couple columns, we'll move the mile an hour from say 30 to say 35, and then repeat the procedure. Just thought you guys would like a little insight of what that is in steady state. Some dynos can do it via RPM rather than by mile an hour. I do it by mile an hour. That allows Alright, just got done with the Camaro on the dyno. You saw the steady state stuff we did and some full throttle pulls with a little bit of data. The thing runs really good. The engine dyno was on might have been a little stingy, or the air wasn't real good. I know the air is good here today. I haven't looked at the DA, but it's 50 degrees. It feels decent in here. I think we're at somewhere around 800 feet in optimal conditions. The air is probably around that now, I would assume. But it made 653 to the tire. So yeah, definitely a good number. Curve looks decent. Give you another shot of the thing. Definitely happy with it. I mean, this being a pro touring car, mostly it does a lot of shows. I don't know if they'll I know they've autocrossed it previously. I'm assuming they will do it again. I don't know if it will ever see a road course. I know they take a lot of their other cars to some track days and that kind of thing. So, but yeah, gorgeous car. Happy to work on it. Hope you guys liked the video.